Sisters and brothers in Christ, we have heard in our first reading today a story of defeat. Quite sad because a lot of Israelites men were dead and the Ark of the Covenant being captured. No? So for me, the first reading is quite sad because it is a story of defeat. I somehow connect it with the character of a leper. A leper in today's gospel reading has these words, "If you wish, you can make me clean." Do you see a different tone? Asa ka siya nagikan anak nga linya? Nganong inana man nga klase sa request? Lahi man sa mga buta, "Jesus, Son of David, have pity on us." Here the leper simply said, "If you wish, you can make me clean." Parang may pag-aalinlangan. Not that convinced. "If you wish, you can make me clean." No demand somehow. "If you wish, you can make me clean." Do you see? I don't know if you can somehow get my point here. Connecting it with a story of defeat and something sad that the Israelites went through. Sometimes dili din ta ka di dayon inana ka klaro ang ato hangyo kun nanabitay mga panghitabo nga di kay maayo, murag pildig yapon ko ani. "If you wish, you can make me clean." Nay mga sad nga mga panghitabo, "If you wish, you can make me clean." I can no longer demand. After all, leper ko, pinandidirihan, no? If ganahan lang ka, you can make me clean. Sometimes we have this kind of attitude. If we had that experience of defeat or sad moments, low moments, para bang di na kaitakain anak ka, ang atong pagpangayo na ay pag-aalinlangan, pagpanagana, ay, gibalibaran ako ani sa una, mura convey, oh. And I like this kind of picture, and I try to connect it with the words of Jesus, "I do will it be made clean." Walang pag-aalinlangan, klaro dayon, diha dayon, na ay word rio, immediately, naayo dayon siya. Here, I love the idea that in our life sometimes, mayroong pagpapaalinlangan, unsa ka, no, tugtan baka kus Ginoo ani, ya baka ning tumano, no, unsa baka, oy, mangayo jud ko anis Ginoo, kanigud ka akong pangayoon, time pa, but the Lord is quite ahead of us. "I do will it be made clean." Here we have a God who is ahead of us. Here, thank you for that beautiful psalm, well sung, ngayon ko, Pambiyernes Santo na baron, nga mura magbasol kita sa tong sala ba? Because redeemed us, Lord, because of your mercy. And His mercy is ahead of us. Despite the defeat, the sad stories that we have in our life, even if our pag-aalinlangan for making a request, but He have a God whose mercy is right there and then. He is there to redeem us. He is so clear in trying to heal us. What a beautiful God. "Kanamo maluoy kaunta nga kanimo nangilaba." That's a beautiful request. But as we try to sing those lyrics, let us remember it is right and just to say those words because we have a God who is ahead of us, who has that willpower to redeem and heal us.